In this slide, you'd get to learn the structure of a web page, basically how the web page is being structured, starting first of all with the doc type, which helps you represent the version of the HTML you are going to be working with, followed by the HTML tag, which houses the head and also the body tag of the web page. Within the head tag, you'd get to see some configurational settings for that particular web page. And these configurational settings are almost unique to every web page you'll be creating in the future. Now, the first one, which is the meta tag, having a value of the character sets, which allows you for the UTF encoding character sets. You have the HTTP equivalent, which allows for the compatibility across browsers. Then again, you have the meta tag with the viewport settings, which allows and also creates room for you to make your website responsive. Without this line of code, even when you try to make your website responsive using CSS, it wouldn't pull through. Now, the last version you have is the title, which is basically the browser's tab, the name given to the browser's tab when you are previewing it. You have other configuration settings you can put in the web page. As time goes on, we'll get to learn of it. The body also gets to contain what you want to show to the user. Now, this is basically what the user gets to see on the web browser. And once they preview this line of code, you'd get to see the document, which, like I said earlier on, is the name of the browser's tab detailing the particular web page you are visiting. Then again, you have the welcome to HTML, which we had initially in our code as the header1 tag being displayed to the user. In our next slide, we'll get to talk about HTML block and inline elements.